Gaze upon the cosmic ballet, the endless expanse of stars and galaxies. What profound secrets does this universe hold? Is there a grand design, a guiding force behind all existence? Join us on an extraordinary journey to explore the nature of God and the universe. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, the cosmos invites us to ponder our place within its infinite mystery. Our quest begins by marveling at the sheer scale of the universe, a tapestry woven with light, matter, and unimaginable distances. Imagine the vastness, from the subatomic realm, where particles dance in quantum uncertainty, to the colossal superclusters that span billions of light years. Science offers incredible insights. The Big Bang Theory describes the universe's explosive birth, a moment of creation from nothingness. Yet much remains hidden. Dark matter and invisible cosmic glue binds galaxies together, while dark energy accelerates the universe's expansion. High-definition astronomical footage reveals the breathtaking beauty of nebulae, star-forming regions, and distant quasars. CGI simulations bring black holes to life, illustrating their immense gravitational pull and the warping of space-time around them. Data visualizations transform complex scientific data into understandable patterns, revealing the universe's hidden structures and dynamics. As we grasp the universe's physical grandeur, we turn to the equally vast concept of God, explored through diverse philosophical lenses. Deism posits a creator who set the universe in motion but does not intervene, a cosmic clockmaker whose work unfolds independently. Pantheism sees God as synonymous with the universe itself, an immanent divine presence in every atom and every galaxy. Theism, in contrast, describes a transcendent, personal God, distinct from the universe yet actively involved in its creation and sustenance. Beyond philosophy, spiritual and religious traditions offer rich interpretations of the divine, shaping cultures and individual lives. Ancient symbols, from mandalas to sacred geometry, morph into modern interpretations, reflecting humanity's enduring quest for meaning. Diverse cultural art, from ancient cave paintings to contemporary digital creations, expresses the myriad ways we perceive the sacred. Now, let's explore the fascinating intersections where scientific understanding and spiritual beliefs converge and diverge. Is there harmony in the universe's laws, or conflict in our interpretations? Both science and spirituality seek ultimate truths. Consider consciousness itself. Is it merely a product of the brain, or a fundamental aspect of reality, linked to a larger cosmic awareness? Quantum mechanics, with its strange phenomena like entanglement and superposition, hints at a reality far stranger than classical physics. Could these quantum mysteries be clues to a deeper, interconnected reality? Perhaps even a divine presence woven into the fabric of existence, like patterns, intricate and ever-changing, represent the flow of consciousness, illuminating the unseen connections between all things. Our journey through the cosmos and concepts of God reveals a universe of profound complexity and breathtaking beauty. It's a testament to the endless wonders that surround us, both seen and unseen, understood and yet to be discovered. The quest for understanding is unending. What new questions will you ask? What new insights will you uncover? Ponder your place in this magnificent cosmos. Your existence is a part of this grand, unfolding narrative.